Hey guys, so as the thumbnail you have seen and the title bar, this video is going to be like a tutorial, small basic tutorial kind of video. In that I'm going to discuss and share my experience that how to edit your videos from your Apple device and how to upload that videos any social media platform, especially for a YouTuber. This editing you can make it from your Apple phone or from your iPad or from your MacBook or Mac Air. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the informative and entertaining related videos in future. My name is Irfan Sheikh. My channel name is Let's Do It. शुरू करते हैं शुरुआत से. So first, please download this iMovie app from your Apple Store. Hey guys, so let's start the tutorial and I'm going to use my MacBook Pro. You can use your iPad or your Apple phone, any of the device which you have. After downloading this iMovie app, you can see on your taskbar, and I'm going to open this, and this is my earlier projects which I'm not going to touch. I'm going to create a new movie. So in this, after clicking on this, you can see that there are two options, movie and trailer. Trailer also you can make some Hollywood and Bollywood style, so I'm not going to go in that detail. We are going to just see the tutorial for a movie. So just click on the movie, then this window will appear. It's all blank. It is asking you to import your media, so we'll click this button and we will go if you have your videos on the hard drive or your external device, you can select the location. Now it is in my passport, like my hard drive, and I'm going to select one of the folder, videos and images from that, and I will click this import all. After clicking this button, you can see that all the selected videos and images are here. Generally this entire screen is divided in three parts. First is the left hand side part. You can see that media, and you have some settings here on the top of the screen. On the right hand side screen you will find that review of your work. Like as of now I'm moving the cursor on this video, then you can see that review here, and the downside area is called timeline. So this is the main area where we will be working, and I'm going to show you all the details that how you can do the adjustment in your timeline to make a professional and good video. So first we will drag this video here, first video and second video, and I will drag one more. This is the third one. To drag, there are two options. Once you can put the cursor and you can drag it here. If you want to have only certain video from this video, then you can select what kind of video you want from this video, and you will just put the plus button, so only that video will come up here as a third video. This also you can do. And one more interesting thing, that you can split this video also. Like this you can see like a first video. If I want to split in between, select this window. If you will select this window, you can see that yellow color on the border of this video, and I will put the cursor where I want to have the split, and then I can press the split button, which will be showing on my menu bar of the MacBook Pro. As of now I am recording the screen, so I could not do that because it is not showing in my screen, but once you are doing the editing, then you can do that. And here you can simply trim your videos from either side of your videos. Like for example, from left hand side I'm just trimming the video up to the level, and now from the right hand side, and you can see that all shortcuts of the keywords in edit section. Like for example, for undo trim you can press the Ctrl Z, and for paste Ctrl V, and in view section, that is the space bar. With the help of space bar you can play and pause the video. By using all these shortcut keys, you will save a lot of time while making a big project. Now I'm going to put the images. These are the two pictures. Actually these are not relevant pictures of Europe, but for the just tutorial purpose I'm going to show you that how we can do the editing in the pictures. So for example, this is the first video. I would like to reduce the volume of this video, either increase or decrease. I can do this here. You can see the bottom line in the blue color, and if you put the cursor here, you can see that it is showing 100%. So if I want to increase or decrease volume, I can do it from here. So my only tip is that don't go beyond 200%, because the voice clarity will not be there. Here you can see that audio button. In that audio you can select the music or the inbuilt sound effect. Like you can go to iTunes also to select your music from iTunes, and from sound effect there are different kind of folders are there. You can just play around and you can see what is useful for your video. Timing will use this any of the video, and you have to drag it and you have to drop it below your video, and you can adjust this also as per your requirement, and you can drag in to just cut it down for your first video, and for second video maybe you require some different kind of music, that also you can do it from this screen. And if you want to know that what kind of music is this, you have to just press this play button, then you will get on your review screen the music. So, and the important tip here that don't use from the iTunes any copyright music, otherwise your once you'll upload in the social media it will give you strike or error. So moving forward, this is the title. If you want to select any title, for example this video here, bird section, so you can see that it is coming on the screen like a bird section. If I want to change the font, you can do it here, change the font, whatever font you want to take it. Here you can change the size of the font as per your requirement. You can move it to any of the video wherever it is required, and you can increase the seconds also. Like now I am selecting for like 8 seconds, so this transition, so now I have selected for the 8 second, and this text will be appear in my video for 8 seconds. Next is background. In background you can select different kind of background for your videos. You can see the different kind of colors, some mixed colors, curtain. If you are using any travel vlog and if you want to show any destination, you can use this world map. Next is transition. This is also very important and useful feature. For example, if you want to create any kind of difference between your first and second video, then you can use this. You can put it here, and you can see the changes what will happen. See, you can see that the slide is changing with some angle. So these are the different kind of transitions you can select, and you can play with this as per your video requirement. More important thing, that if for example if you have done something wrong, or if you want to undo something, then anytime you can go to edit and do undo add. So now you can see that the transition has been removed, which we have recently added. So one more important thing, I will show you that how to show the picture in your video. Like for example, if I'll play my video from here, you can see how this picture is affecting that screen. The total screen has been covered by this picture, but for example if I want to split the screen with this video and picture, first you have to select the picture and you have to go for a crop option, then you have to select fit, and then this mirror image. In that you can see the different option. I will select split screen. So now you can see that video and the picture is divided in the same screen. Now again I will play just to make sure it happens properly. Yes, you can see that. While moving towards the right hand side screen, there are different options available to increase or decrease the light. You can see that color correction. In this color correction you can see that if I'll move the cursor, you can see that more daylight and the video will become more bright. Don't make it too bright, otherwise it looks fake, so make it a little bit reasonable. This button is for volume control. You can control your volume from here, or you can control, as I told you before, that you can control your volume from this bar also. Like you can see that percentage, the volume increase and decrease. And this is your sound equalizer. If you want to reduce the background noise, you can adjust this cursor, but don't reduce it so much, otherwise your originality of that voice will go really bad. This is an icon for timer, and you can with this increase or decrease the speed of your video. If you select fast, then your video will become shortened. Just say this. Yes, my video has become shortened. And if you can increase the intensity of the fastness of your video by selecting 4, 8 and 20. So, and if you want to go for a slow mode, then you can select the slow mode and it will become long. You can see this icon here. That means your video has gone long. So I'm again reset for a normal. And here is a very important switch. This is a reverse switch. If you click this, then you can play your video in reverse direction. This is a filter effect. If you want to give any kind of weird filter effect for your video, for example, you can see the different kind of filter effects are there that you can give as per your video requirement. One more important feature I would like to tell you that of voiceover. You can see this mic. If you want to record any of your voice in background of your video, just press this button, then you will see this red color icon appear here. Once you'll press this icon, then you can record your voice for that particular video. Before that, don't forget to select your videos, which will become yellow in border. And you can use this setting button to increase or decrease the pan of your video. You can see that now all the 3 videos I can see it very short, but generally I take it on a medium level so you can precisely edit your videos. And after doing all this edition, you are good to go to share this video in any social media platform. So this is the right hand side top button. You can see that share. Once you click this, it will show you the option where you want to share. So generally, if suppose you are a YouTuber, then you will select that YouTube to publish on a YouTube. And these are some settings like tags, description and resolution. As per your video, you have to select the appropriate category. As per by my video, I'm going to select this travel and events. Generally, I prefer to edit the tags and description once this video will get uploaded into YouTube. So once I will do next, it will ask me to publish on a YouTube platform. So once I will click the publish, then it will go to the YouTube, but it will be as a private video only because here we have selected as a private. And one more important thing, after doing everything, if you want to save this project, then you have to go back to this project. Then it will ask you for a name, which name you want to save. Here I will put your final, and then I will put OK. Then it will appear in your main taskbar as a your final project. And from here you can share this project. This is also the second way to share your project on YouTube and all, and plus you can save it to your iCloud with the help of this file option. Hey guys, so this is all from my side. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you must have learned something from this video. Then definitely give me a thumbs up and write in the comment box what you like most or what I may missed in this video so I can learn from you guys. Take care, see you in another video. Ma salam, Khuda Hafiz.